Good morning to all. I am Dishwan, studying grade 2. I am born with potential. I am born with goodness and strength. I am born with ideas and dreams. I am born with greatness. I am born with confidence. I am born with wings. I am not meant for crawling, so I won't. I have wings. I will fly, fly, and fly. Yeah, I'm going to talk about the great leader and the great Indian scientist, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It's my pleasure and I feel very glad to talk about the great leader of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name is Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He was the 11th President of India and also known as the Missile Man of India. His father's name is Jalaluddin and his mother's name is Ashima. He was the 11th President of India and also known as the Missile Man of India. His birth anniversary is observed as World Student Day. He played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapon program. He dedicated his entire life to the country and people, especially school children. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna for his great work. He has written many books. His autobiography, Wings of Fire, famous among students. His life is a great motivation for us. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam took his last breath on 27th July 2015. Before going to complete my speech, I want to tell you motivational quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Dream is not that which you see worth keeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. If you want to shine like a sun, burn like a sun. Thank you.